Oh, having trouble drawing buildings or objects in perspective? Then this video is perfect for you, so stick around. Hi guys, my name is Mobin, and today I'm going to teach you how to draw objects or buildings in perspective. Let's get started. If we look at this street and think about it, we can see that all the buildings, tables, stairs, etc. converge to a single point, which is our perspective point. We call it a vanishing point, where everything connects to that point. This applies to all objects, and the important thing is and the important thing is not the objects themselves, but the perspective in which the objects are positioned. And now we go for the two-point perspective. In the two-point perspective, it is like having two one-point perspectives on either side of the image. The first point and the second point. If we follow the line of the building's column, the left side of the building connects to the left point, and the right side connects to the point on the right. Here's a quick tip. Take a screenshot and use it for the exercise I mentioned in the description. If you don't know how to draw hands, don't miss this video. My name is Mobin, and don't forget to subscribe.